Hi folks, I'm Rob from Brew Mallorca, and I have today something special for you. Yesterday postman came and brought a little shipment from Russia. It's coming from Boel Company, which is the company which produces the iTap bottle filler. And well, I'm really curious what's in there, so let's have a look inside.
Let's open the package. Yes, iTap. Boel Company, as I said, is coming from Russia. Let's have a look inside. Okay, these are clamp locks or adapters which you need for your iTap bottle filler. For different kind of bottles you can use. Let's see, what is this? It looks like this is for the glass bottles. 26 millimeters diameter. Okay, open them. What is this? Interesting. It looks with some metal plate on the bottom. Looks quite nice. Yes, exactly. It's for the glass bottles. Okay. Yeah. And oh, looks very nice and high quality. What is this? Looks very similar. Open them. Yeah. Okay, this is also for glass bottles, but a different kind of. There are glass bottles which has a shorter neck and smaller lips. You see the difference in the sizes. The regular one is a little bit more tall than the other one. Okay, looking forward to try them. Here we are in the brewery, and this is my bottle filler from Boel Company, the iTap. This is my old version of the clamp lock, so the adapter. This is the new adapter. You see the differences on it. This is the metal plate. The old one had always the plastic lips inside, what sometimes had a little bit trouble. So with the new one it should work much better. We will see. So also to use for change also the red stoppers, as I did here, taking off the black one and the red one or the new one. Okay, these different type of bottles I want to fill today, and yeah, let's see how it works. Okay, just put the adapter on the iTap. It's a little bit tight at the first time. Take the first bottle and let's see how it works. Okay, regular long neck goes in very well. Okay, tighten it. Okay, this is fine. Okay, just wash with CO2. For this you should open your CO2 bottle. Yeah, mostly you do it before. Okay, so flush it. Okay, and yeah, it works. Okay, close the valve, put another pressure on it, and then let's run the beer. In my case, it's not a beer, it's my new hard cider, which I just have the bottle now, so let's see how it works with that. It's carbonated before in the keg, and so we can use it. It looks quite good, everything. Works well, yeah. Okay, next try, a smaller bottle. You see it's tightened very easy. Filling is quite easy, as you see here in high speed. Okay, and now give them a try for a Vichy bottle. So in the same situation of the stoppers, it will not fit into the iTap adapter. So in this case, you have to change the position of the stoppers, as you see here, as I do. Just turn them around, and so it will be much more easy to put in the bottle, and then also very simple to tighten it. And you see, you can do your job as before. So also the other bottles I tried here working very well. To tighten it, it's very easy, simple. Also the Steinle bottles, which I prefer, it's doing great job here with the adapter. Very good. So now we have this special bottle with the smaller neck and the smaller lips, as you see here. And for this we have the other adapter, the other clamp lock, which is the smaller version of the new one, as well with the metal bottom to hold the bottles very, very tight. Okay, so let's give them a try here. Take off the regular one. In the small one, just connect it here to your iTap bottle filler, and as you do always, just put it in. Oh, it's quite easy to put in there. Yeah, tighten it. Okay, and all the other things should work regularly like with the other ones. Hi folks, now coming to an end, I have a resume for all of these. I think that the new version of the clamp for the iTap bottle filler is quite good stuff. It works very, very well. It holds the bottles more tight than the old was doing it, and it's very comfortable to work with. And there is no big deal to going along if this is a sealing with the rubber or not. Everything works great, as you saw how I tested it. As well, important, remember always, it is this clamp lock stoppers. When you put it inside, in which direction is it? Huh? But as you saw, for some of the bottles it was working in the upside down direction, and for the other one vice versa. So also the second version, the smaller one, for this kind of bottles where is the lip quite small, it is fantastic. So you can fill them also quite easily. It holds very, very well, and well, there is no headache anymore if I can fill these bottles or not. You saw all of these kind of bottles which I filled up there, and depends not from the form how they looks like, but the most important thing are the lips here, the sizes of the lips. All of them have 26 centimeter diameter in, but they are all different, and for that it was in the beginning a bit more complicated to use with the old version. It was working, but you know, you have to look twice or three times until it is working well. With this, as I did it today, running well, no headache, nothing. It's more easy to work with. So at the end of the day, I can recommend this product for you, definitely. Yeah, and it was a long day. I think we should open one of these kind of my ciders which I was filling it. So I love it. I can recommend it to you. Looks quite good. It works well, and well, hope you like it. Hope you like my channel. Then please leave thumbs up and subscribe. Push the button, the bell button, please. Happy brewing.